Hey guys, Dan House Washing Heroes, and today I am out in the field doing this roof. So this is a fairly typical one. As you can see, it's got the usual mold and growth and lichen on it, but nothing too surprising. I've already pre-treated it. Only put like 4% sodium hypochlorite on it with a bit of extra house wash mix just to help it really stick with a high grip soap, and it's already come up 50%. And now we're just going to give it a medium, little bit of a pressure clean and just gently tidy up all of these edges. But overall, I think it's going to be a fairly well behaved. Hopefully this weather behaves for us. So I'll keep going. I'll show you the results after. Bye. Hey everyone, Dan House Washing Heroes again, and just showing you now tidied up that roof. You see that's all come up very nice. I just want to show you these edges here in the mortar. So I'll turn this around. You can see those bits of black there. Just going to use a gentle amount of pressure. It hasn't taken off any of the grout, and it has taken off the mold. It's all been pre-treated, so it's just ready to fall off. So we don't need to use tremendous amounts of pressure to make sure that it comes off and comes up nice and clean. And because it has been treated, the mold will stay away for a bit longer. It'll come back eventually, but as you can see, this roof is very, very different. So there you go. We'll keep on going. Catch you later.